have to move.
Push.
This is no problem. I like mechanics. I prefer building than driving. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Where in Germany?
A little town called Albstadt.
Abstadt. Just been all the rubber seals, right?
Yes.
But it's always just amazing to see the craftsmanship, the hard work that everyone does, and it's all the people that are here that are making these cars and putting all the hard work that enable us to do what we do and give me the opportunity to do what I do. Very, very, very hard work for everyone, and everyone's just so diligent and detailed with everything they do. It's amazing. I'm so proud to be a part of it. You know, and you guys make this is just such an incredible process you guys go through. It's really awesome to see. We work together, we're a team, you know, so. But it's cool, for sure, you know. I grew up always wanting to be a Formula 1 driver, and particularly being here in Germany where Schumacher was, you know, huge, and then you come to Mercedes and now they call me a champion. It's pretty cool. Oh, I like this new grill. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you? Our chief came here and he said Lewis Hamilton is coming soon, and I was like, oh my god. So now it's lunch break, perfect.
So 2,200 people going to lunch right now.
No, I think a little bit more.
Really?
Yes.
It's a lot of food. Yeah. Hi, how are you?
Fine, thanks.
Good? Yeah, very well.
You're taking over, is it right?
Yeah, I know, I was supposed to be. Oh, I like these.
Hello.
Alles klar?
Alles klar.
Now you see the black hair on the right side.
The black car, yeah?
Yes. You drive here into the front.
We walk around our cities and villages and see all these cars running around, and probably most of the time don't even stop to think how the car got there, how much work went into it, so, and the craftsmanship and all that kind of thing. I think people take a lot of things for granted with everything, you know? So it's just incredible just to see it all and then to be representing Mercedes and then come and have this experience.